chiral. Chiral means that molecules or object that is not superimposable on its mirror image is said to be chiral. Example, 2-butanol. Okay, first structure and the second structure is mirror image. So, kalau kita perhatikan CH2, CH3 and CH2, CH3, so kedua-duanya adalah mirror image. But they are not superimposable. Superimposable bermaksud kalau saya angkat struktur B, okay, katakan kalau saya angkat struktur B untuk ditindihkan ke struktur A, so dia tidak akan bertindih. So maksudnya kita akan dapati CH2, CH3 ni akan berada di sebelah kiri. So dia tidak akan bertindih. Ini yang dimaksudkan dengan not superimposable. Okay, so we call as 2-butanol is a chiral molecule. Right hand cannot be superimposed. So both left hand and right hand are chiral object. A chiral object means that object that are mirror image and superimposable. So we call as a chiral object. So bermaksud flask, kedua-dua flask adalah mirror image dan masing-masing boleh bertindih tepat. So kita akan panggil a chiral object. Chirality center means that a carbon bonded to 4 different atoms or groups. Also called chiral carbon, asymmetric center and stereogenic center. We use label star to show that a chiral carbon. For example, propanoic acid is a chiral compound. A chiral because of this carbon bonded to two same group of atom. So it is not a chiral compound. Second example, lactic acid. Lactic acid is a chiral compound because of carbon, this is we call as chiral carbon, bonded to 4 different group of atom. They are COOH, OH, CH3 and hydrogen. Chirality center in cyclic compound. To see whether a ring compound is chiral, see any difference in the path around the ring in each direction. For example, okay, struktur kita ni methyl-cyclopentane. Okay, sekarang kita nak determine sama ada carbon ni carbon chiral ataupun tidak. So apa yang kita boleh buat, kita divide kepada dua, compound kita bahagi kepada dua dan kita kena perhatikan setiap side. Okay, so sekarang carbon bonded dekat hydrogen, bonded to CH3. Okay, side sebelah sini adalah carbon CH2 and CH2. Okay, side sebelah sini pun adalah carbon CH2 and CH2. So both sides are identical. So this carbon is not a chiral carbon because carbon bonded to two identical group. Keep in mind that chirality center carbon is a sp3 hybridized carbon bonded to 4 different group. sp3 means that single bond compound. Good technique. Expand the structure around the carbon that you want to determine the chirality center. For example, Cl, CH2, CH, CH3, CH2, CH3. So, kalau kita tengok dalam struktur yang dalam berbentuk condensed, so kita susah nak determine sama ada dia mempunyai struktur chiral ataupun tidak. Apa yang kita kena buat? So, kita expandkan struktur kita ni kepada carbon mesti ada 4 ikatan. So, kalau saya lukis, carbon ni dia terikat dekat chlorine, hydrogen, Then second carbon ni kita ada CH. Dalam bracket ni maksudnya cabang. So CH3. So kita ada CH2. CH2. Lepas tu kita ada CH3. So perhatikan satu-satu karbon sama ada dia mempunyai karbon chiral ataupun tidak. Okey. Karbon ni tak ada. Okey, ni karbon ni kalau kita perhatikan, carbon bonded to hydrogen, bonded to CH3, bonded to CH2Cl, and bonded to CH2CH3. So, 4 different group of atom. So, bermaksud dia mempunyai karbon chiral. So, kalau ada karbon chiral, kita akan gunakan tanda star. So, karbon ni tak ada sebab dia terikat dekat 2 CH2 group. Karbon ni pun tak ada sebab dia terikat dekat 3 CH3 group. Okay, exercise. So, label star at the chiral carbon in each of the following molecule. So, macam saya kata tadi, better kita expandkan structure kita ni. So, the first structure A, kita ada CH3, CH2, then kita ada CH, OH, CH3. So, di manakah carbon chiral kita? So, ini adalah carbon chiral sebab dia terikat dekat hydrogen, OH, CH3 and CH2, CH3. So, carbon chiral is carbon that bonded to 4 different group of atom. Okay, untuk structure B. Structure B kita ada CH3, CH, OH, CH, OH, CH2, CH3. So, di manakah carbon chiral kita? Okey, di sini ada carbon chiral sebab dia terikat dekat hydrogen, OH, CH3 and semua ni satu group. Sini pun ada carbon chiral sebab dia terikat dekat OH, hydrogen, CH2, CH3 and CHOH, CH3. So, dia still terikat dekat 4 kumpulan berbeza. So, there are 2 chiral carbon. Structure C, we have CH3, CH, F, CH3. Okay, this is structure C, no chiral carbon because carbon bonded to same group of atom, bonded to CH3 and CH3. So, no chiral carbon. Structure D, we have CH3, CH, CH3 dalam bracket tu bermaksud cabang, CH2, CH3. Okay, so no chiral carbon. So, because of CH3 and CH3, they are 2 same group. So, no chiral carbon. Enantiomer. Stereoisomers that mirror image are not superimposable is called as enantiomer. For example, compound A and compound B are mirror image but not superimposable. Optical isomerism. Optically active compound have the ability to rotate plane polarized light to the right, we call as dextrorotatory, and to the left we call as levorotatory. The angle of rotation can be measured with an instrument called polarimeter. So, polarimeter is used to determine whether the compound can rotate plane polarized light or not. Requirement for optically isomerism. There are 3 requirements for optical isomerism. First, molecule must contain a chiral carbon. Definition for chiral carbon: sp3 hybridized carbon atom with 4 different groups attached to it. Okay. And star is used to indicate the chiral carbon. For example, carbon chiral attached to 4 different group of atom. So we call as chiral carbon. Molecule is not superimposable with its mirror image, and molecule can rotate plane polarized light. For example, enantiomer, a pair of mirror image that are not superimposable. Structure for 2-butanol. Center carbon we call as chiral carbon, and we use star to indicate a chiral carbon because carbon bonded to hydrogen, OH, CH3 and CH2CH3. So carbon is called as chiral carbon because carbon bonded to 4 different groups. Structure 1 is mirror image for structure 2. Okay, but not superimposable. So we call as enantiomer. Okay, exercise. Identify the chirality center using asterisk and draw the enantiomer for the following compound. Okay, 1A. Okay, to make it easy to determine the chiral carbon, expand the structure. So, C, H, OH, CH3 and CH2 OH. So find carbon that attach to 4 different groups. So this is a carbon chiral because carbon bonded to OH, CH2OH, hydrogen and CH3. Then draw enantiomer. Draw a pair of enantiomer. So mirror, chiral carbon as center. So we have 4 group of atom: hydrogen, CH2OH, OH and CH3. Okay, and draw the mirror image: hydrogen, CH2OH, OH and CH3. Example for C. When I expand the structure, so I have CH, CH3, OH and NH2. So this is a carbon chiral because bonded to NH2, OH, CH3 and hydrogen. Passive question, April 2006. The structure of A is given below. Name the functional group present in A. So we have C double bond O and we call as carbonyl. Okay, this structure is ketone. Is A is optically active? Explain. So optically active contain chiral carbon. Chiral carbon is sp3 carbon. So means that carbon single bond. So chiral carbon located at the third carbon because carbon bonded to CH3, CCH3, one group, C double bond O CH3 and one more hydrogen. And draw a pair of enantiomer of A. Answer for pair of enantiomer of A.